Hello guys, I'm your friend Anubhav from Hitbullseye. I've been getting a lot of queries regarding the CUCET exam. What is this exam? What is it all about? And will it have any impact on the class 12 board? Well, this video is going to answer all of your doubts. Under the new education policy of 2020, all the central universities were tasked to take a common entrance exam for their undergraduate and postgraduate courses. This was done to save the time and money of the students. That was how the concept of CUCET, that is, the Central Universities Common Entrance Test, was born. The CUCET process was due to start in 2021. But it was shunned because of COVID. As of now, in 2022, the exam will take place in May. The application process will start by March 2022 and the results will be out by June. It will be conducted by the National Testing Agency or the NTA in 12 national languages, and all the central universities have been directed by the UGC to stay prepared to take this test. The mode of examination, that is, whether it is going to be a pen and paper test or a computer-based test, is yet to be finalized. However, what is certain is that the paper will have two sections. Section A, that will consist of the aptitude questions, and Section B, that will have the specific domain knowledge. In the aptitude section, the questions will range from quantitative aptitude, verbal ability, reasoning. In the domain-specific Section B, you will have class 11 and 12 syllabus for the undergraduate courses and the academic syllabus of graduation for the postgraduate courses. Whether the weightage for class 12 board exams will be given or not is yet to be finalized, as is the date and pattern. We are expecting the notifications to be out by mid of January. As soon as the notifications will be out, we will come up with a new video regarding the same. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching Hitbullseye.